Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today in this specific day. As you can see, in my case it is a little bit above the 1 hour. Most of the time I've spent on the Chrome, then settings and the others. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. Of course, you can check some further details. This is not the only info you can get from this section. And you've got two different ways to check some details. You can tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard, which will show you the specific screen time in particular days of a week. Of course, you can go back to the previous week, tap on the tap on the specific day and check how much time you've spent on the screen. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the specific time you've spent on them. You can also set the limits for the apps if you need to. And the second way is to tap directly on the app which will appear on this graph. So for example, in my case, Chrome settings or other. Simply tap on the app, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one specific app. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications and times opened, and from daily to hourly. It's up to you how you want to display it. You can set the app timer, you can manage notifications, etc. So basically, this is the whole idea of the screen time, of the information about it. Under it, you've got also ways to disconnect. So if you will decide, after analyzing the graphs, if you'll decide that you're spending too much time on the screen or on the app, you can set specific modes like the bedtime mode, focus mode, app limits, etc. So for example, in the focus mode, you can select some distracting apps, probably some kind of social media or games or whatever. Just mark them. So let's pretend the photos are most distracting for me, or messages. You can set a schedule, so choose specific hours and specific days of the week, and you can set a schedule so your device will limit the notifications from the distracting apps, and you will have a time to to spend it with your family, to work, to rest, or whatever. So I highly recommend to check this section also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.